What's up, Barnaby here? Another installment of Ask Dr. Char, because she is a holistic veterinarian and knows a lot about the creatures you love. Let's talk about pets and arthritis. Is it necessarily because they're just getting old that they can kind of stiffen the joints just like humans?
No. Arthritis is developing even in the young animals now. And so there's a genetic component to that. And so some of the larger breeds will tend to have misshapen hip sockets. And so, you know, if a joint is not really stable and it moves back and forth, they'll develop arthritis, they'll develop pain and stiffness.
So it's specific to breeds, or is it just crossing all breeds at this point?
At this point, more and more breeds are affected. Even some of the small breeds are showing signs of arthritis.
Wow. And what do you think the reason for that is?
Well, I think that it's helpful that, you know, they get extra supplementation when they're growing so that they can form better joints.
Oh, okay. So you should have puppy-specific foods, but also other things that might be, well, as you say, supplemental, so actual things they can take above and beyond the food that they eat.
Right.
Yeah, such as?
Well, a lot of times, you know, vitamin C and glucosamine is particularly helpful for the large breed dogs that are growing very quickly. And, you know, and sometimes there's, you know, there's many choices of foods out there. And there's not like one perfect food, because every breed and every individual has their own nutritional requirements. And so we need to be able to offer a variety of elements to help that form a good joint.
That's giving them the best shot at a good life, but as they age, necessarily just like humans, we start to get a little bit stiff. So what can we do about it then?
Well, there's a product called arthro-ionx, which is a blend of homeopathic ingredients that addresses the majority of causes of kind of like joint discomfort. And so those homeopathic ingredients do a lot for reducing inflammation and to help that joint to, let's say, replenish itself. You know, there's a couple of factors in a joint. You need to have good stability so it doesn't rub, but you also need to have a good synovial surface on it that can make that hyaluronic acid, the fluid, to keep that joint friction-free.
Lubricated, as they might say. Huh, that is interesting. And so there is medication that is good for your dog, it is natural, and that is probably the best case scenario when you're trying to keep your dog mobile and happy up until its final day. Thanks so much for the good information, Dr. Char. And again, you can ask her any question you like. The opportunity to do that is on our website. It is VetIonx.com.